Yeah, good afternoon, fellas. In today's video, we'll be looking at the topic fundamental and derived quantity. And it is vital that you know that this YouTube page would help you to understand physics very easily. Please follow me. Now, what are fundamental and derived quantities? As I wrote on the board, fundamental derived quantities are quantities that are important in physics. Now, there's a need for you to know the difference between fundamental and derived quantity. Each of them have their corresponding unit. Now, when we talk about fundamental quantity from the word fundamental. Another name for fundamental is the word base. So when you hear fundamental, you can also call it base quantity. For example, many students have been asked questions, what are base quantities? And say, what do you mean by base quantities? Fundamental quantities are also referred to as base quantities, and they are independent quantities. From the word independent means they can stand on their own. They do not require the help of any other unit again. This is what differentiates them from the derived quantities and their corresponding units. Now, I wrote on the board that we have several major fundamental quantities that you expected to know and you are better to know by heart. They are actually very, very simple. We go with an acronym to know them. We have our mass, our length, our time, our amount of substance, also called mole. Remember mole in chemistry? Luminous intensity, temperature, with their corresponding units. The unit for mass is kilogram. The symbol is kg. The unit of meter, of length is meter. Symbol is n. The unit of time is seconds. The symbol is s. The unit of amount of substance is mole, and the symbol is also mole. Also, luminous intensity candela, and C. Temperature Kelvin K. Now, these 7 fundamental quantities form your foundation as a physics student. Many of you writing JAMB and external exams that physics exams, it is vital you understand and know these 7 major fundamental quantities by heart. Because if you do not know it, it will be impossible for you to be an excellent physics student. Now, these are major questions. That are some of the questions you expected to know. Let's look at the question together. The internal agreed system of units SI for physical measurement are, you have your LB feet seconds, B gram meter seconds, kg meter seconds, centimeter gram seconds, kilogram centimeter seconds. What exactly would be the answer to this? Now, if you looked at this, you see that what would be the answer to it? What would be the answer to it? The answer to it would fall between the unit of this fundamental. Which of the units are lined? Can you find this here? No. Can you find this here? You can find some of this here, but you cannot find everything here at this point. So where can you find? What can you find at everything? You can find kilogram. You can find meter. You can find seconds. So the option is option C. Number 2 question. Which of the following is not a fundamental SI unit? You have your meter, ampere, Kelvin, second, and radian. So looking at it, you come here again. What after of number 5, which is to the derived quantity. I would love to chip in this. That the 7 fundamental quantity is current. Current has the unit of ampere. We can find current under current electricity. So we have ampere. We can use the word ampere. So let's move to the derived quantity.